So shout out to Duck Knives. Guy makes the coolest shit. He's out of the Czechoslovakia. You can get him up on Facebook, or I guess right here. But he's got coolest shit. Makes custom stuff too. But this is what I got from him. He gave me this little pendant for my keychain. Thanks for my purchase. And this is the knife I got. Ooh, fucking stuck. Fucking sick. Hold on. Damascus blade, carbon fiber handle. One of one butterfly knife. Oh man, this thing's so cool. And I can't wait to use it.